Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to get Onlyfans without credit card. You can purchase a prepaid debit card from various retailers or online platforms. These cards work similarly to credit cards but are not linked to a bank account. You can use a prepaid debit card to sign up for an Onlyfans account as long as it is accepted by Onlyfans as a valid payment method. Some online services offer virtual credit cards that you can use for online transactions. These virtual cards are not physical cards, but can be used like credit cards for online purchases. You may find virtual credit card providers that allow you to create a virtual card and use it for your OnlyFans subscription. OnlyFans occasionally partners with certain brands to accept gift cards as payments. Keep an eye out for promotions or announcements regarding gift card payments on OnlyFans. You can purchase a gift card from the participating brand and use it to pay for your OnlyFans subscription. Check if OnlyFans support alternative payment platforms like PayPal, cryptocurrencies, or other digital wallets. These options may not require a credit card directly, but still allow you to make payments on OnlyFans. Some third-party services or websites may offer assistance in setting up an OnlyFans account without a credit card. However, be cautious and verify the legitimacy of such services before using them, as they may involve additional fees or risks. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.